So what's been happening vis-a-vis NEET? Lot of political allegations that you've heard. The political blame game continues to rise. Now on your screens, first up, we begin with our focus on a lot of these students. A lot of them have been out in the streets protesting. These are protests that have been led by the NSUI, also by the ABVP, the SFI in different parts of the country, right from Delhi to Lucknow to Bengaluru, in Kanpur. All these images tell you just one thing, that something will have to be done. But a lot of, remember, investigation that has happened so far, the BJP says is drawing a direct link to the RJD in Bihar. We'll tell you about that in just a moment, but do remember, just about late last evening came the big announcement that the NET exam has been cancelled. This again is an exam that is given by a lot of students. In fact, an estimate says more than 9 lakh students. So the students today who gave the NEET exam are asking that if you can cancel the NET exam again on the same charges that possibly the integrity of the exam was compromised, why has that not happened when it comes to NEET? Now the NTA, though, that remember is the nodal agency that conducts this exam, has actually said today that a thorough probe will happen. But what is this Bihar angle? What is the Patna connection? The Bihar police right now is looking into the entire issue. The opposition is trailing all its gun at the center, right from the streets to the social media, and also a promise now to raise the issue in the parliament that has been made by Rahul Gandhi. He says in the upcoming session, we will definitely be raising the entire issue. Now on your screens, like I said, these are images of protests that have come in through the day. These are students and different student bodies who've been holding these protests outside the Shastri Bhavan. That is, remember, housing the Educational Ministry office. Also outside the residence of Dharmendra Pradhan, the Education Minister. They did try to breach barricades. There were also reports of minor scuffles. The police had to intervene, drag a lot of these protesters. But clearly these images tell you that something will have to be done sooner rather than later. And a lot of politics. Rahul Gandhi has also hit out at the BJP for this. He's dragged in the Pradhan Mantri because he says he's the same Prime Minister who apparently claims that he stopped the war in Ukraine. But why could he not stop paper leaks? First up, all the reactions, the politics, and then we get you more updates.
National eligibility test of UGC that has been cancelled yesterday, and all this amid the NTA is surrounded by the controversies of NEET already. The students here are demanding the resignations of Union Minister for Education Dharmendra Pradhan and action against NTA. Let's try and talk to a few students here and understand what their demands are. Ma'am, you're here protesting. What are your demands?
So demands are on the behalf of all the students and all the people who have appeared. More than 9 lakh people appeared for the exam. उन सभी को जो मेंटल साइकोलॉजिकल ट्रॉमा पहुंचा है, साथ ही साथ जो फाइनेंशियल लॉसेस हुए हैं, सबसे पहले तो उसका जवाब.
So NTA wasn't the conducting body before, like till 2018 only UGC was conducting the paper. Post that NTA was given this responsibility. Right after this NEET fiasco, this NTA UGC NET fiasco has also started, and right after they have declared that हमने successfully conduct कर लिया examination. They're coming out and saying that हमने CBI को जांच जो है वो भेज दी है, हम इंक्वायरी बैठा रहे हैं और हम पेपर दोबारा से कंडक्ट करवाएंगे. There are students जो प्रेगनेंसी में गए हैं एग्जाम देने. There are students who have traveled 400 kilometers in this scorching heat, and this is how NTA is repaying them with saying कि हम दोबारा एग्जाम कराएंगे. This is a blot on this education.
भारत छोड़ो न्याय यात्रा में मणिपुर से हम महाराष्ट्र गए और रास्ते में हजारों युवाओं ने कंप्लेन की थी कि हिंदुस्तान में नॉन स्टॉप पेपर लीक होते हैं. कहा जा रहा था कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने यूक्रेन की लड़ाई रोक दी थी, मगर किसी न किसी कारण जो हिंदुस्तान में पेपर लीक हो रहे हैं उसको नरेंद्र मोदी रोक नहीं पा रहे हैं या रोकना नहीं चाहते हैं. पेपर लीक का कारण है कि सारे के सारे वाइस चांसलर्स, एजुकेशन सिस्टम को बीजेपी के लोगों ने, उनके पेरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने कैप्चर कर रखा है. जब तक ये कैप्चर रिवर्स नहीं किया जाएगा तब तक पेपर लीक चलता जाएगा. इस कैप्चर को फैसिलिटेट नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने किया है. और ये एक एंटी नेशनल एक्टिविटी है।
And Rahul Gandhi also, ladies and gentlemen, is claiming that the NEET scam, according to him, is bigger than the Vyapan scam. Now, there was also a question that was asked of Rahul Gandhi on this particular Bihar angle. But before I tell you what his response was, let's take a moment to explain to you how are these three pictures that you see on your screens really related. Now, the man that you see on the screen, we'll put that our image again, that was the Bihar Deputy Chief Minister from the BJP quota, Vijay Kumar Sidha. On the other side is Tejasvi Yadav, and then there is this name Anurag Yadav. What is the connection? There have been confessions that have come in earlier today, and there is a big charge that has been made, a sensational charge, by the Bihar Deputy Chief Minister. Now, he is showing these documents in a press conference earlier. These are documents, according to him, that show a clear link between the main accused right now of the NEET paper leak that happened at least in Bihar with a close aid of the RJD leader and the former Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, that is Tejasvi Yadav. Now again we say that this is a charge the BJP is making. The RJD has responded. They say nothing doing. All this they say is fuzzy. They are saying that this is just an attempt by the BJP to put wool over people's eyes. There is no merit in these allegations. But clearly, there is this main accused Sikandar, who apparently is said to be very close to Lalu Prasad Yadav. And he is the same man apparently associated with Tejasvi Yadav's close aide, Pritam Kumar, as per the charge that has been made by the BJP. In fact, they say that he is a personal secretary. Now, the story goes that he is the same man who calls a worker at the guest house where the accused was putting up. And this is where students were brought in. They were asked to mug up the leaked question paper. This worker then, who's called Pradeep Kumar, he was paraded before the media earlier today. Now, Vijay Sinha also goes on to claim that on May the 4th, that is on the very day that this exam is happening, Pritam Kumar calls Pradeep Kumar at least 3 times. And he has put out the CDR, that is the call data record, to support that claim. And he says that all this was done to book a room in the name of Sikandar. The booking was done in the name of a quote-unquote a Mantriji. Who is this Mantriji? What is the Mantriji connection? Who is this Mantriji, and apparently was he aware of this paper leak? Was he the mastermind? No one knows. But serious questions that have been raised, and this is the reason why the BJP says that it's important right now to uncover the Bihar angle, the Patna angle, and hence probe the entire case. Let's quickly make way to listen in to exactly the charge that has been put forward by the Bihar Deputy Chief Minister.
प्रीतम कुमार इस विभाग में काफी दिन तक रहे हैं और उनका प्रभाव यहाँ पर है। उस समय जब मंत्री यहाँ के तेजस्वी यादव जी थे, तेजस्वी जी अपने आप सचिव प्रीतम कुमार के संदर्भ में स्पष्ट करें कि वो आज भी उनके आप सचिव हैं।
So the Bihar BJP saying कि साफ करना चाहिए तेजस्वी यादव को रोहन, whether he is related to the alleged mastermind of the entire scam or not. Rohan is a political analyst. He does lean towards the Congress. We also are joined by Rohal Ishwar. Rahul is a noted activist. Rahul, before I come to you, Rohan, respond to this charge. You know, the point is everyone has their own political stories, charges, counter charges, but who's concerned about the students today?
Good evening, Dipti. You know, Dipti, even if, let me take this charge to be true, right? But if this Mr. Pritam Kumar leaked the papers, he must have had some contact with the NTA, right? Because the NTA is the body, the nodal agency of the government, which is making these exam papers, everything. So the leak has definitely come from the NTA.
Okay.
This is as
Rohan,
clear as
Rohan, allow me a moment. I'm apologies cutting you short, but we have a live